Hey guys, we're back again for Thursday, July 9th's workouts. Alright, for our body weight option, we have an EMOM to start you off, every minute on the minute for 12 minutes. You're going to do 3 push-ups, 6 jumping lunges, and 9 sit-ups. You do all of that within each minute. So you'll do 12 sets of that. Any time left over in each minute, you just get to rest. Then you're going to have 30 minutes to rest, recover, think about what's coming, and then you have 4 rounds of an all-out max effort of 12 push-ups, 18 jumping lunges, and 24 sit-ups. So you'll go through those higher numbers, 4 rounds, as fast as you possibly can, and then your score will just be the total time on your running clock. So my intention here is that you're just going to start your clock and then keep an eye on it for your EMOM, and then when it's on 15, that's when you'll start your all-out sprint for those 4 rounds of 12, 18, and 24. And then your score will be the total time on the clock when you're done. I hope y'all like that one. And then for Zoom, we're gonna have our strength and then our workout like normal. For our strength, we're gonna go 10 bent over row per arm. And I believe most everybody knows how to do these, but I'll demo just in case. We want to keep our back flat and while we bend over. And so you can do that by keeping your feet together, sticking your bottom back, and just rowing the dumbbell in to your body. Keeping your shoulder and your wrist in line, and your elbow in line, your elbow and your wrist in line. So you're just rowing up. If that's difficult for you to keep your back flat, you can step your opposite foot out and then bend over, flat back, keeping your elbow over your wrist while you row that dumbbell into your body. 10 on each arm, and then we'll do our 10 overhead split squats per leg. And just remember on these that it's the split squat, not a lunge. So you'll take a big step out, and your dumbbell is in the opposite hand of the foot that's going out. So if the dumbbell's in my left hand, then my right leg is in the front, and I'm just going down to tap my back knee on the ground and then pushing straight up. And that's what makes the split squat. No stepping back together. And then 20 high flutter kicks. So normally our legs are just fluttering at 6 inches, but for the flutter kicks, you want to lie on your back, head, and your shoulder blades are off the floor, and your legs are doing a high flutter kick. You're trying to get them up as high as you can. 20 of those, counting each kick. 1, 2, 3. So after you finish your 3 sets of strength, then you can go into the workout, which is 2 minutes and 30 seconds of work, 1 minute and 30 seconds of rest. So if you're using that Smart Wide timer, you can choose the Tabata option, and then you can go in and set it to 2.5 minutes of work, 1.5 minutes of rest for 5 sets. So for us, we've got 6 reverse burpees in that 2.5 minutes, right into 12 dumbbell thrusters. Split those up however you see fit. You could go 6 and 6. You could go all 12 on the right and then do all 12 on the left the next set, however you want. And then 24 single dumbbell deadlifts. And we did these a couple weeks ago, but just to remind you, the dumbbell stands up like in a plie squat, but our feet are in our deadlift position right under our hips, and bottom goes back, chest stays up, and you're just standing and squeezing your glutes at the top. All right, standing all the way up. So 6 reverse burpees, 12 dumbbell thrusters, splitting those however you want, 24 dumbbell deadlifts, and then in whatever time you have left in that 2.5 minutes of work time, you're gonna go max burpees over the dumbbell, laterally. So set the dumbbell down, and you'll burpee on this side, and then jump over the dumbbell. Burpee on this side, jump over the dumbbell. And then your score, of course, is just those max burpees over the dumbbell that you accumulate in the remainder of your time. So 5 sets of that. I hope you enjoy the workouts, and I will look for your scores on SugarWide.